Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus Pasingki Sollu. My major nautical department level 2. I'm from AIPI MAKASSAR. And this is my friend.
My name is SAHRUL, my major nautical level 2. I'm from AIPI MAKASSAR.
Thank you. Have you checked the new fleet management system?
Yes, the company has installed it recently.
When did they introduce it?
The introduced is last month and it has improved efficiency.
Have the crew members been trained?
Yes, they have completed the training successfully. Have you checked the new fleet management system?
Yes, the company has installed it recently.
When did they introduce it?
They introduced it last month and it has improved efficiency.
Have the crew member been trained?
Yes, they have completed the training successfully.